the previous class we had already discussed about the role of hormones in human body in an adolescence and during the puberty as what all the changes takes place in an adolescence. So now in this class we will discuss about the role of hormones in completing the life history of insects and frogs. So the insects and amphibians, they go through changes in their physical appearance in their life known as metamorphosis. You might have remembered, you had studied in previous class that insects and frogs, they undergo changes. They have 4 stages in life. Some have 3 stages in life, and they undergo some changes through their physical appearance, and that is known as metamorphosis. So in frogs, thyroxine controls the process of metamorphosis. So the hormone thyroxine controls the metamorphosis. If the thyroid gland is removed from the larva, it will not change to an adult frog. So thyroxine requires the presence of iodine in water. So the hormone thyroxine, it requires the presence of iodine in water. So in insects, molting and metamorphosis are controlled by the by thyroxine hormones. So thyroxine hormone, it controls the metamorphosis and it requires the presence of iodine in water. So the molting and the metamorphosis, these are controlled by thyroxine hormones. So next is reproductive health. Adolescence is the time of growing up mentally, physically and socially. So during this period of age, the adolescents, they are growing mentally, physically and socially. So the selection of food during this age is very important for supporting the growth of the body. So they should have nutritional food. They should choose the nutritional food because during this stage they grow up mentally, physically and socially. So first of all, nutritional needs should be fulfilled of the adolescents. So it is very important to eat balanced diet containing the right amount of carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals during the adolescence, because the balanced food or balanced diet, it should include protein rich foods to meet the growth demand of the body during this as they grow. So to meet the growth demand, protein rich food should be there. Calcium and iron rich food should be there to increase the bone density and to prevent anemia. Variety of fruits and vegetables to meet the demands of different nutrients. So during this age of adolescence, the adolescents should have the balanced diet, proper balanced diet that contains right amount of carbohydrate, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals during the adolescence. Next is personal hygiene. Personal hygiene is also equally important during adolescence, especially for girls during menstruation. So it is very important, personal hygiene. They should keep themselves always neat and clean. They should take bath daily, especially girls during menstruation. It is very important to maintain personal hygiene. Next is physical exercise. So exercise is very good for health. We know exercise is very necessary to be fit and to have a healthy body. So one should not skip meals and should also avoid junk foods which are high in sugar and fat. Rather than we should do physical exercise daily, because exercise makes our body fit and muscles strong. So we should not skip the meals, or we should avoid the junk foods, because junk foods are having high sugar and fat. So we should do a regular exercise. During the stage of adolescence, the adolescents are very naturally they are getting addicted with the drugs. So drug abuse is a common problem for the teenagers all over the world. Very easily during this stage they are getting addicted with the drugs. So drugs are chemical substances that produce physical, mental, behavioral or emotional changes in the person. So there will be changes in physical changes, mental changes, behavioral changes and emotional changes in the person. So use of any drug for purpose other than medicinal use, that is called drug abuse. So use of any drug for purpose other than the medicinal use, that is drug abuse. Once a person starts taking drugs, they become physically and psychologically dependent on drugs. So this dependence is known as addiction. So they are very easily getting addicted. This age group children, they are very easily getting addicted to the drugs, alcoholic, nicotine, cocaine, then marijuana are some of the common drugs. Then nicotine is commonly available in different forms such as cigarette, bidi, gutka and pan masala. So should not be addicted. You should not be addicted with such kind of drugs. The deadly disease of AIDS spread from the infected person by using or sharing syringes which are used for injecting drugs, and also spread by sexual contact with an infected person. So it is important to say no to drugs and avoid them at all cost. You should say no to drugs and you should avoid all these alcoholic, nicotine, cocaine and all this bidi, gutka, pan masala. You should avoid this and you should say no to drugs. So this is all about the adolescence periods and what are the changes takes place in our body at puberty stage. So in the next class I will give you the question answer. You will write them and you will learn them.